I'm protected, I'm respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream. I do what I want to do, and I do what I want to be. Hey. I know that was offbeat, but I've been loving that song. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I am so excited for this video. Well, I'm not really sure if I'm just really excited for this video. I'm just highly caffeinated. So for today's video, we're gonna be dyeing our hair with markers. I know what you're thinking.
Oh my gosh, babe, that is so on brand.
That is so crazy.
You're always coming up with the craziest things.
So creative. I love that.
However, no. So I've already come up with many unconventional ways to dye my hair. It ain't even my first time using Crayola. But today's marker hair dye video was inspired by Mackenzie Marie. After doing a little search, this method has been existing on the internet for a long time, but her video is where I saw the concept first in my YouTube recommendations. So what more you have to explain to you? I saw the video from Mackenzie, so I'm just giving her credit. Alright, let's see how this goes.
Hello! I am so excited about today's video. Not only is my hair looking like a swamp and it is time to dye my hair, but
Hold up! Woo! There's gonna be a lot of energy in this video.
But I'm not gonna be dyeing my hair with hair dye today. Today I'm dyeing my hair with markers. We got a teal, a light blue, a darker blue, this bluey green, and a green. And I'm gonna use all those shades to try to make the perfect color of teal.
I know there's gonna be somebody who want me to dye my hair some color like blue, or they probably want to see me use yellow or orange in my hair. But since Mackenzie used the colors out of her pack of markers to give her a teal color, which her hair is already currently dyed in, it only makes sense for me to pick colors out of my pack of markers to give me a nice deep red shade.
I wonder which color I can mix up with the red.
I went to my local store to buy some markers, and I don't remember them being like these pastel shades. I remember markers being like dark and extremely pigmented, and these are like, I don't know what this is. This ain't no 90s Crayola marker.
Like these? Well, my markers are the more vibrant color.
Dark and extremely pigmented.
It's the classic colors. There we go. I was like, these are not primary colors, they're more than primary colors, like primary, secondary colors, classic colors. So there is brown, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, black. I'm looking at the purple, red, and orange. Red and orange. What color make orange? Red and yellow make orange. So putting red and orange is going to make it a little more red, maybe purple. So adding more red to the purple, supposed to just make it show a little more. Maybe I'm not going to use all the purple. It might seem like I'm overthinking this, but I don't want to mix up some colors and then get green on my hair. That's not what I'm looking for right now, alright?
Fantastic. This is every blue shade that they have in the marker packet, and this is what I'm gonna be dyeing my hair with today.
Hold up. It's only one pack of marker she used? When do I so much pack of marker for then? Well, she has here 5 markers. So, let me pick out my markers. Red and orange out of this pack. Red and orange out of this pack. So far, I only took out 1 purple. Red and orange and purple. Out of another pack. Do I need this much orange?
Maybe I can delete the orange.
Red again. And the only reason I bought this one pack of 10 is because this pack comes with pink. So I thought it would be cool to add a pink in there. So, alright, so we have 6 red markers. I think I'm just going to use 2 orange markers in the mix, 2 purple markers, and 1 pink marker. 6 and 4 is 10, 10 and 1, 11. So, in all, I have 11 markers.
So I got pop the top of this thingy off. Oh my god. These things are indestructible.
Is a big old knife like that I'm going to need to take off these little caps? Respectfully, I'm a klutz. Let's use a knife, a butter knife. It's a safe knife. Let's hope it's good enough to work. Listen, if I'm not careful, I can't even cut myself with a butter knife. Oh, it's coming up. Yay!
Ooh, it came right out.
Should I take the cap off first? Ooh. We started the mess already. I should probably put on my gloves. And you want me to be using a knife like that? No. Wait, I don't even know how she got it out. Do I need to dig it out with a knife?
Ooh, it came right out.
It sounded like she did bang. She banged on something. I'm pretty sure I'm making this a lot more complicated than it needs to be. But what's new? Oh! Wait, oh, that was easy. I felt it, when I started banging on it, I could feel it shake. So, I knew it was coming out. Yay! Okay, 1 out. Should I just take out all of them one time? Yeah, let me take them all out one time. What's next? Next.
I'm gonna take a glass of water, I'm gonna dump this thing in it until the bottom of it starts turning white. Looks pretty white.
So it's clear that we don't need a lot of water. Too light. We don't want to remove too much of the ink. But that is the white tip.
Now here's the part I'm most excited about. I have to blow the ink out of this plastic contraption device thing. So, oh my god, ew, what if it gets all in my mouth?
I mean, this is made for children, so yeah, it's non-toxic. I'm pretty sure there's some kid in this world putting Crayola markers in their mouth, okay? I'm pretty sure of it, so we should be good. Only difference is, I'm a grown adult making the decision to put these markers in my mouth. And with our empty container, we're going to blow. Yeah, I'm still a little scared to do this. My jaw.
That's what she said.
That's all I'm getting out of that. I am holding this very carefully, because if this drops now, I'm screwed. I'm not even talking about the mess it would make, I'm talking about the wasted effort, okay? Ugh. After this, she added conditioner. Well, she called it
This is to dilute hair dye.
Well, she said the product is used to dilute hair dye, but from skipping through our other videos, she usually uses a white conditioner to actually make her various hair dyes. I add a tiny little bit of conditioner first, not too much. I'll add more as we go along. It's not mixing up quite as creamy yet. It's still looking lumpy. Let's add more conditioner.
This is really, really good looking. I'm not even joking. This is actually beautiful. What the heck?
Suppose this conditioner just not compatible with it. Oh Lord. Oh Lordy Lordy. Oh God, let's not panic. Let's just try a different conditioner. I mean, it's not creamy and smooth, but at least it's a paste.
What? This is like what I would actually dye my hair with.
So after stirring for like 5 straight minutes, I finally get something that kind of looks like what I would dye my hair with. A little lumpier, but kind of.
My hair is looking extremely rough. I don't know why it looks blue. I feel like when I film, my hair looks bomb, and then you see it in person, you're like,
That is so true. Like, I'm looking in the camera right now and I feel like the hair is looking a lot more vibrant than it actually is. Like, in the mirror, it's faded. This is faded, busted color, alright? But somehow, when I upload the video and I'm looking at the screen, the color looks vibrant. It don't look that bad. It really don't look that bad. Well, it don't look too bad to me. But in person, in the mirror, it's faded and busted, alright? So I'm gonna work with my hair in these, oh wait, no, I need towel. Let me get a towel. So my hair right now is freshly deep conditioned and shampooed. I did not add any conditioner or leave-in to my hair. My hair is naked right now. I'm just gonna dive in. I'm just gonna go right in. Just pick up a whole bunch and apply it to my hair. Saturate the ends, work it through. It don't make any sense I go too close to the roots because my roots are not bleached right now. So let's just keep it on the areas of my hair that's already light. It feels nice, but that's because of the conditioner I used. Wait, let me get my gray hairs. Yes, marker. Color them in, yeah. By the way, this is messy. So the real question is, since this is washable markers, is it going to wash all out of my hair once the water touches it? I just love the red on my hair. I just love red. I just love red. I just love red. Like, oh, I just love red. Oh, by the way, I changed my shirt just for the thumbnail. Yes. So far, I'm loving how the color is looking. It gets me excited. So what I'm gonna do now is what I usually do when I'm dyeing my hair. I'm gonna cover my hair with my saran wrap and allow it to sit for hours. In other words, I'm going to leave it to set while I sleep and rinse it out in the morning. This was messy. Hold on. I know the camera can trick me. Let me look in the mirror. Wait.
Intermission! If you've been enjoying this video, don't forget to thumbs up and answer this question down below in the comment section.
It looks like it was tinted. Alright, well, this is the wet results. So let me go and style my hair and let's see how the dry results look. It came off really easy off my skin, but it clearly tinted my hair, so I'm not complaining. This was pretty cool, except the blowing part. That was hard. Alright beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If it's your first time on my channel, be sure to don't subscribe right away. No. Want you. I'm going to suggest that you go up in the iCards, watch more of my videos, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching 2-3 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy the content here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Alright beauties, thanks again for watching! Later! Mwah.